Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. And as you can see, I have another wonderful package here from Nail Reserve. So shout out to Nail Reserve for sending me another package of gel polishes for me to try out. As I'm taking this out, take a moment. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with someone, and leave me a comment. Okay, let's get into these colors here, because I'm not, that's kind of similar there. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and try out these colors, swatch them, and then come up with a design. So a few of these polishes really have me like wondering what's going on. Like this one named Playground. It has like a lavender pink sage light color. This next one here, this is called Opening Credits, and it looks like it's a clear with like glitter or gold flecks in it, but we'll see. This one also is super pretty. This reminds me of like a champagne gold color, but yeah, it's full of shimmers, which is super beautiful. Now this next color here is iced coffee. Does this not look like iced coffee? It looks nice and thick and rich. And this one here is Cranberry Juice. I mean, hey, it's good and rich. And the last one is Tarot Card. Okay, so what I'm going to do for the first time ever is try to do a gel ombre using obviously gel, because I said gel, but I have never done a gel ombre on my nails before. So this is what we're doing today. So before we get to that, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these out so you can see what they look like. That's one coat. When I show you in the end, all the swatches will have 2 coats. Now look at this. Look at Playground. Do you see how the colors shift? Like, look at that. That's like 3 colors in one. Love it. It was like effervescent, wasn't it? And yes, this is a clear color. I'm probably going to use this on top of something because I love those huge gold flakes it had in it. This one here, the Moonlit Glow. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah. It's like the color of my MacBook. Yeah. Okay, this color right here, iced coffee, is iced coffee, and to me it looks like the perfect nude for my skin tone. I mean, once I try it out, you guys let me know what you think. This color right here, Cranberry, it reminds me of burgundy, but a lot more rich in color. I mean, look at that. Now look at all the colors together. Aren't they pretty? They all go together. And I'm going to use every single last one of them on my nails, as I do all the time. Okay, so my nails are already done. I have a poly gel that's on my nails. I've already prepped, did all that good stuff, and put some base coat. And now I'm going in with the colors. So I'm going to let you guys watch. Now I will go ahead and explain for this particular nail. You will see that when I tried to do the ombre, it didn't really do what I was trying to make it do, but it did do something else. And I think my issue was I just used too much polish. I used too much polish on this one, but I still love the effect it gave. It gave me the effect of pouring cream into some coffee. Iced coffee. So anyway, I'm gonna let you guys watch and I'm gonna meet you at the end, okay? Okay. I know I said I was going to pop it on the end, but I mean, did you enjoy what you've seen so far? I mean, if you have, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Now, as you notice, this fan brush here looks kind of, the bristles of it look kind of stuck together, and it's because what I'm doing is, instead of getting another brand new brushed out, I'm taking some alcohol and wiping it down with a lint-free wipe, and then going back in. So that's what's been cleaning my brushes, and that's how I've been cleaning up my cuticles when they get flooded, like, it just did. So yeah, I've been using alcohol, and of course that's super drying, so I will go ahead and make sure I put some oil on these cuticles and fingers when I'm done. Anyway, so if you don't already know, yes, if you look down in the description box, I do have a affiliate link with Nail Reserve and a discount code. Now, discount code is for 50% off, but that only works, of course, if you are using it, if there's not another site-wide sale going on. And if you're doing pay as you go and there's not any particular sale going on for pay as you go, and let's say it's only for VIP members, then go ahead and use my discount code. I mean, hey, we could all save some money in the world we living in. Okay, so make sure you always look in that description box so you don't miss out on these discounts that are available. Other than that, if you don't already know, Nail Reserve, of course, has hundreds of different gel polishes and other products. And all of their gel polishes are vegan. They are made with a 9-free formula and cruelty-free. And just so you know, 9-free means it's missing 9 chemicals that we're glad it's missing. We don't want those 9 chemicals in there. So yeah. So very healthy nail polish that is rich in color, and for most of these colors you only need 1 coat. So I've worked with them several times already. Make sure you check out my previous nail videos, and I am learning as I go here, so I'm trying to do something new every single time. Each time I get a package, I will try to use every single polish in the package just so you can see what they look like and just watch me create, because it's fun. This is self-care for me. This is relaxing. This is my me time. I can sit here and do my nails in complete silence without music and anything, and time just goes. I love it, love it, love it. So shout out to Nail Reserve again for sending over these products. Okay, so I'm gonna be quiet again, and I will for real meet you towards the end. Okay, so clearly, you know, I think I did a good job. I mean, do you think I did a good job on doing some gel only ombre? I think I did. I mean, I think I deserve a thumbs up. I think you need to share this with someone who may want to just try this themselves. I mean, I just did it with the fan brush and 2 polishes, well, the middle finger 3 polishes, but hey, it's so fun to see what you can do, and that's what I'm doing with y'all. So anyway, this ring finger, of course, I had to add some sort of bling. I decided to do some little flowers since we are heading into spring, even though the weather here in the Pacific Northwest is a little confused. But look at my nails, y'all. Look at my nails. They are so beautiful to me. Each time I do my nails, it's just super special because I know I created myself, and you can too. So, you know, get you some polishes. Check out Nail Reserve whenever you get a chance. Check out those sales. Check out my discount code and affiliate link. You do want to use those or pass those on to someone who may want to use them. And other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.